Hey guys, it's Brooke, aka Unpredictable Slime, and today I'm going to show you how to make a thick and glossy slime. Here you guys go. So here are the things that you guys are going to need. First, you are going to need a bowl and something to mix with. You guys are going to need your activator. I use 1 tablespoon borax to 1 cup water. You guys are going to need some water and a measuring cup. I recommend using a 1 cup. You guys are going to need some lotion. I'm using Dermasil. Then you guys are going to need glue all and some baby oil to make it glossy. First, you are going to add your water, and I recommend using about 3 tablespoons. Now add 1 cup of glue. Now just add about a tablespoon of lotion so that way it's not super stiff. Now you're going to add your baby oil, and I recommend about a tablespoon, and then you can start mixing. After you're done mixing everything together, you guys can add your activator. I recommend adding a tablespoon at a time or more. So keep on mixing and adding your activator until you get about to this point, and this is the messy part, but you have to start going in with your hands when it starts to pull away from the bowl. And I know it seems really messy right now, but when you just keep on kneading it, it will get better. So here is my secret base after about a day of letting it sit in an airtight container. And if it's a little bit too stiff for your liking, you can always add more lotion. And also, if you guys want to see my daily videos that I post on Instagram, then you can go down and click the link. And also, I'll have the link for my Etsy down there if you guys want to order slime from me. And also, if you guys want to see my YouTube videos that I try to post weekly, you can go down and subscribe and like to help me get more people to see my videos. So yeah, thank you.